Hello, plant lovers. Welcome back to Plant Academy, your go-to spot for smarter, greener living. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson in desert plant care. Today, we're exploring the best way to keep your plants thriving when you're away. We'll compare the top national plant sitting services and see why PlantAutopilot, a service first launched in Palm Springs, might just be the future of plant care. First off, what is plant sitting? Here's a little quiz. What do most people forget when they leave town? If you guessed my fiddle leaf fig, you'd be correct. Plant sitting is when someone temporarily cares for your plants while you're gone, but not all sitters are created equal. In fact, most people don't realize two major things about hiring plant sitters. 1. Many general pet sitting or home sitting services don't actually understand plant-specific needs. And number 2, the success rate of keeping specialty plants alive, think staghorn ferns or olive trees, can vary wildly depending on the sitter's plant knowledge. So how do the top players stack up? Meet the contenders. We looked at the top 3 national services available today. First, there's plant sitters via Thumbtack. Then there's TaskRabbit.com and Wag, because some dog sitters also claim to do plant care. Thumbtack.com lets you hire freelancers for just about anything, but plant care isn't vetted, so you're gambling on someone's claimed green thumb. TaskRabbit has a similar deal. You can find help, but plant expertise isn't guaranteed, and availability varies wildly. And Wag, while primarily for pets, offers occasional add-ons for plant watering. Still, that's more about keeping things wet than healthy. While it is locally owned and operated, PlantAutopilot isn't just another gig worker service. It's built by seasoned plant professionals. PlantAutopilot launched first in Palm Springs, one of the world's hottest and most punishing environments when it comes to live plants. So does PlantAutopilot set a new standard for plant sitting services in the United States? Yes. And here's why. First, matching. You don't get a random helper. You're matched with someone based on your plant types, home environment, and even your microclimate, perfect for rare or sensitive plants. That kind of tailored care usually costs extra, if you can even find it. Then there's seasonal logic. PlantAutopilot doesn't just water and bounce. They adapt to the season, location, and species. PlantAutopilot adjusts care to your plant's seasonal needs. No extra charges. No overwatering disasters. And here's a big one. Reliability. If your assigned caregiver can't make it, there's a backup plan already in motion. No stress, no scrambling. If your sitter flakes through TaskRabbit or Thumbtack, you're stuck. With PlantAutopilot, backup coverage is already built in. The final factor is cost. Thumbtack and TaskRabbit? Expect anywhere from $75 to $100 per visit. On Wag, you'll pay pet sitting prices for a quick sprinkle. But with PlantAutopilot by PlantThis.net, most users in the Palm Springs area pay less than a couple dinners out for multi-week care, and that's way less expensive than replacing a sad, crispy staghorn fern. Finally, with PlantAutopilot by the team at PlantThis in Palm Springs, there's transparent scheduling plus live updates. See check-ins and care logs in real time, with optional photos, and even plant progress reports along the way. That's the kind of care no generic plant rabbit or task sitter can promise. So if you want smart, seasonal, stress-free care, you know where to go. Let's recap. If you care about keeping specialty plants alive, getting sitter support tailored to your plants, and actually enjoying your trip without texting your neighbor for plant updates, then PlantAutopilot, built by plant people, for plant people, is your best bet. It's care that's smart, seamless, and most importantly, plant first. Try it now at PlantThis.net. Your plants deserve it, and so do you. Before you go, hit like and subscribe to our channel if you've got questions about plant care. And if you have some experiences with sitters, drop them in the comments. If you live or are planning on visiting the Palm Springs area, be sure to drop by our shop to say hello. Until next time, Plant Academy is dismissed. Hey, hold up. Ben here. I've got a bonus pop quiz for you. What are the two things most people don't know about plant sitting? For one, plants get more stressed from overwatering than underwatering when you're gone. Most inexperienced sitters think more equals better. Second, many common household plants enter a semi-dormant state depending on the season, and should actually be left alone more than handled. Kinda like my ex. PlantAutopilot knows all that and more. Generic plant sitters? Not so much.